I'm pretty sure that few people would argue with the fact that BOGO is one of the best things that's ever happened to anyone. If you don't know what BOGO means, it means buy one, get one. Buy one, get one free. We love it. People who run grocery stores are smart. They know where to place things around the store so that you will put them in your cart and buy them. At my local grocery store, Publix, which is the best grocery store there is, there's no competition in all of the United States, Canada, England, the world cannot compare with Publix supermarkets. That aside, when you walk into a Publix, the buy one get one free aisles are right there. It's the first thing you put into your cart. It's not like you have a full cart. You say, oh, you know what, I have money, I have room. But the thing is, you may buy something from a buy one get one free area that you would never buy normally. Taking from my own life, toaster strudels. They're pretty great. We would all agree, probably. But I don't eat them like normally. When I go to the store, I'm not like, toaster strudels are on my list. But I was at Target, not Publix, but Target, and it was like 3 for $1. 3 toaster strudel packs for the price of 1, and I bought all 3. Why? Because of a deal. Us as humans, as Americans, as people, are so drawn in by deals. Even though that deal may not actually be a deal, it could be a complete scam, but it looks like it's a deal, and we're like, dang, I'm gonna put this crap in my cart. We are just drawn to things like that. We're drawn to sales and giveaways and all these things that make us think we're saving money when in reality, we probably aren't. Another instance in my life when I've done this, I was at Publix and I thought it said buy one, get one, but it was actually buy 2, get 1, and it was on Coca-Cola products. So I get a 12 pack of Coke and I get a 12 pack of root beer, and I'm checking out at the counter and the guy's like, this is actually buy 2, get 1 free. I didn't want 3 12 packs of Coke. That's just a lot of soda that I shouldn't be drinking. But instead of doing the good thing, I guess, for my body and my wallet, I was like, yeah, go get me that third 12 pack of soda. Talking about toaster strudels makes me remember I had a thought the other day while I was eating, you know, my 1,000 toaster strudels that are waiting in my fridge. Who decided toaster strudels or pastries? Who decided that pastries were a breakfast food? Because really, they're desserts.